What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Quant and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Quant here, and as you can see, it's still, it's performing like an absolute beast, isn't it? Basically, ever since, we had the big crash in May for most cryptos. Obviously, Quant did actually go down in this time, but it did start to pump just before that. And then once it got back to this, same range that it'd basically been trading inside of for God knows how long, realistically looking something like this, aren't we? It's a big range for Quant. Basically looking something like this for the longest time. We were trading in and around that 35 to, what is this? $35 to $50 area, something like this. But obviously it came down here in between $35 and $50. We had the breakout, the retest, we were expecting the pump, and then obviously the big dump in May basically brought Quant all the way down, bottomed out back at the bottom of that range ish at around that $30 level. Then over the next few weeks it did actually recover really well, and it started to pump, didn't it? While everything was going down, Quant actually started going up, which is crazy. It ran all the way from the bottom at $22 here. Essentially, if I can actually draw, please, the measuring tool. It actually pumped up around 276% in a few weeks to a month, whilst everything else was going down. And then it retraced, and it kept going, and it's been holding the EMAs like a boss, hasn't it? You can see it quite clearly. We've come all the way up here, held in the 20. Obviously, we formed this little top of our channel here, you would say, that we've drawn in. We come down, but we lost the 20 here. Then we held the 55 really nice, didn't we? And then since then, absolutely exploded out the gates. We've come all the way out. We've broken out of the top of our channel here. We come back down. We retested it as support actually for a few days, but then we come back inside our channel. We come back outside our channel here, and now it looks as though we are just chopping it up inside the channel, on the brink of really breaking out of that area, aren't we? But you can see if we just zoom in a bit, we're holding the 20 is like such a beast, aren't we? We've come down here, obviously the 55 got tested, but we've come down, we've pretty much touched the 20 here, but really we're just consolidating, aren't we? Just like the whole market is really. But a little consolidation, a little bit of coiling, you could say, maybe a bull flag here. We come all the way up to the next area, and now it looks as though we are potentially coiling again here for another little move in either direction. And considering how bullish the market's been, if we do see Bitcoin break out of that 50k level, because if we just take a quick look at Bitcoin here, we can see that it's currently just trying to break out of that 50k level, isn't it? And a lot of cryptos are mimicking its price action because of this. But if we do break that 50k level, I mean, wow, we're going to have an absolute massive move to the upside, aren't we? We're not saying it will. There's obviously bearish divergences for the short term here. What's more likely is we might see a bit of a cool off and then another go at it and then a really big move. But you can see if Bitcoin does start to go up, then obviously Quant is going to absolutely explode, isn't it? But if the market does start to roll over, we've got a lot of support, haven't we? Which is really good to see, because we really want to see our cryptos making support on the way up, and it does look as though we have made these really nice big areas of structure, haven't we? There's a good area of structure, we would say, here, and also this is a good area of structure, something like this for support. So, oh my god, my mouse is just being so weird today. What is going on? You can see we've got something like this, haven't we? So short-term price predictions then. If we do see Quant start to roll over, we've obviously got this previous swing high as support, the top of this previous breakout of this range, along with the 20 moving average. But if we lose the 20, obviously got the 55 coming up like this as well. If we come down, touch the 55, get the bounce to the upside, we could see ourselves, having a really good amount of support here as well. Looking at around, the bottom-ish of the range at around that $150 level, a good psychological number as well. But I mean, Quant looks like it's showing so much strength, doesn't it? So it does seem likely that we'll probably see a bounce at the 55 if we did lose the 20, although we haven't even retested it really yet. So Quant showing a lot of strength. And obviously, if we start to come back up to this level here, at around $213 at this high, do anticipate, Quant just continuing to run. If we just take a look at some fib targets, I guess you could say, we've got a... we just pull a little fib like this for our next little run up. Realistically looking at some price targets here, we could come up to around that 225 level, maybe even coming all the way up to around that 270 level, which would be our little fib extension for our next little run up off the back of this little retracement that we've seen here. So things looking really good. I guess you could say realistically, you could technically say that this is the retracement right here, if I can actually draw. But we'd be looking at some similar price targets if that was the case as well. So those would be our short-term price predictions. Obviously, if Quant breaks out, it could just run absolutely crazily, just like it did here, where it ran all the way from, what is this, $66 up to $190. Absolutely crazy run. That's almost a 3x, isn't it, in the space of a few days? So crazy, crazy stuff. And then obviously long-term, we really do think that Quant is a top quality project, considering, it's at $200 already. And the amount of, adoption that it's getting. A lot of companies are backing this crypto, getting used for CBDCs, not to mention, the fact that its market cap is so small, huge amounts of room for growth. We think realistically around a 10x would be, very possible. Maybe a 5x would be a very conservative target at around $1,000. But we do think realistically the way Quant is going and the way that it's grown, despite the bearish scenario we've been in recently, it's come from around, let's be honest, $20 upwards of $200 here. This is around a 10x, isn't it? Let's make no mistake about it. We've basically done a 10x in the space of a few months. So another 10x doesn't seem that unreasonable when we flip bullish again. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.